Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I'm going to talk about the confirmation bot, how it did today on this Friday, August the 12th. It did very well and took two trades and was done. We are looking for a $1,000 profit. We run the same settings, the same time every day. And for the most part, it does a very good job. Usually from about 6 in the morning until 8:30. I don't run it any other time other than that usually. Sometimes I'll run it in the afternoon, but for the most part, I just run it here, get my money, I'm done for the day, and I can go back and do whatever I want to do. So I have $1,000 loss or $1,000 profit, whichever one hits is what I'm going to do. In this particular case, it shut off a little bit sooner. We only had 857. And the one thing about the P&L profit and loss session on this is sometimes it's off just a little bit, but for the most part, it usually stays around 1,000. Now, in this case, if I wanted, I could have just turned this off the bot and turned it back on, and I would have made two trades, three trades right here. So there's three more trades that would be profitable right here. So on this one, the entry would be right there, so you would have had that. If it didn't hit the first target, which it would have, but if it didn't, our stop would be up in here, so it would be fine. We would not have got stopped out. So we would have hit a target here and then come back for a break even, and then we would hit a target right here, and we would have hit one there. So we would have made a lot more than what we did on this right here. So it's up to you to run the bot ever how you want. If you get up around $1,000, that's where you want to be. Then shut it off. If you want to make more money, what I suggest is go more contracts and keep your less trades. Every time that you try to trade a lot more, it don't always work out for you. Usually you can get 2 to 3 trades on a drop. So on one leg, you can usually get up to 3. I've seen sometimes be 12, 13 trades on that, but there's no guarantee on that. So what you need to do is make sure that you are trading accordingly. So how do you go about leasing SpyBot? So if you go up here, go to Angular and Confirmation. When you click on that, that'll open up another page, and it's got pictures showing you everything, videos, and you can lease the Angular indicator on its own if you like. And the Angular and Confirmation auto trading bots are both included in this. So you lease one, you get them both. This is the best deal because it's going to enter for you. It's going to automatically set your profit targets, your stops, your P&L. It does everything for you. So this is your better one. The only thing you need to do is just get up, turn it on, and you should be pretty good. Will it lose money? Sometimes it will lose money. No bot is going to make money for you every day. You're going to have a losing day. The main thing is to make sure that you have more winning days than losing days. And for the most part, it makes money almost every day. So this past week, it made money every day, roughly $1,000. One day was 1,100 some, a few days right at 1,000. So for the most part, it made about $5,000 this week on 4 contracts. Those 4 contracts cost you $1,000 each, so that's going to be $4,000 to trade. But again, you can see there's always other trades that you can run if you want, and once you get up there, if you have a losing trade on the next one, then just turn it off. If you have a winning trade, let it take another one. Just keep on doing it until you have a losing trade and then shut it off. And that way you'll still have your target. If you have the next one's a losing trade, you're going to lose some of this, and then at that time you can decide to shut it off or not. Usually we might get one losing trade in the beginning, and then we usually get the winning trades after that, or vice versa. So let me know if you have any questions at all. How you do that is go up here to the contact, you click on that, and come down, fill this out. Remember that sometimes when I send emails to certain people, your ISP will send it to spam. So make sure you check your spam. If you add this to your spam filter, then that way you won't have any spam, or I have my emails go to spam. So that's your best bet. If you need to talk to me, put your phone number in here. I'd be more than happy to talk to you and walk you through it. You can lease this. A lot of people what most people, I would say the majority, will lease it, and within 1 week they go to a live account. So what I tell everybody is, when you lease it, make sure that you go to a sim account at first, and make sure that you're okay. Make sure you're understanding how to do it, and to make money with it, you're consistent. Once you prove yourself consistent, maybe you go to micros. You can trade this on micros. And then at that point, go to minis. You don't have to trade 4 contracts. You can lower your P&L, and maybe you do 1 contract and you go for $450 or $300 or whichever, and do it that way. And then as you get consistent with that, you up it and go to 2 contracts and so forth. So you can do it any way you want. You can scale the bot at any way you want, and make the money that you're needing. And but just make sure that you adhere to the rules, and if you adhere to the rules, you should be fine. Everybody's got rules. Need anything at all, let me know. I'm happy to work with you and get you started. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.